eyelids. With green yarn, make a magic circle, chain 1, and make 7 single crochets in the circle. For round 2, make 2 single crochets in each stitch around for a total of 14 stitches. For this round, you will single crochet in the next stitch and then make 2 in the next stitch. You will repeat this process around of 1 single crochet and then 2 single crochets for a total of 21 stitches. When you have reached the end of the 21 stitches, end off leaving a long tail. Join to the first stitch with a slip stitch, end off leaving a long tail. Fold the circle in half and using the long tail, sew the rounded edge closed. Mark the center of your frog's body and down about 5 or 7 rows to place the eyes. Pin them in place as shown below. Sew the eyes down, being careful not to sew through the fob. With white yarn and size F hook, make a magic circle. Chain 1 and make 5 single crochets in the circle. We're using an F hook this time because we want the eyeball to be a little smaller. For round 2, make 2 single crochets in each of the 5 stitches around for a total of 10 stitches. For round 3, you will work even on the 10 single crochets and just single crochet in each of the 10 around. On this round, you will single crochet the next 2 stitches together 5 times for a total of 5 stitches. End off leaving a long tail. When you have finished the whites of the eyes, embroider 2 black slits for pupils on the eyes. Hot glue the eyeballs to the inside of the lids and set the piece aside.